Hey guys, I'm recording our New Year's fireworks. Well, it's not New Year's. So, you're not going to be able to see us because it's dark. So, hey Micah, I'm vlogging. Hi! Alright. So yeah, we're in the middle of nighttime. So yeah, you're probably not going to be able to see us much. You may only see our shadow.
Are you going to see the fireworks too?
Anybody bring the lighter outside?
Oh yeah, and there's the moon.
Yeah!
Oh, dang it. Told me to flip the screen. Alright. So see you guys in a little bit. So yeah, most likely you won't be able to see me, you'll just see the fireworks. But that's still cool. Alright. Here comes Papa coming in his lawnmower, going 1 mile per hour. Hey look, he just accelerated it too. Good job! Make sure you don't mess with the highway to hell. We're all screwed. Real screwed. Mom, is he lighting it? Alright guys. Trying to stay away from this. I wish I was using my camera, I can zoom in, but alright. Alright.
Ready, get back.
Papa, get back! Alright, it's lit! It's lit! I think it's lit. Dang it, never lit. Alright, go back, go back! Whoop. Oh yeah, those are fireworks. Forgot. So yeah, here's our starters. I just want to give you that little excitement and all. Ah, what a lovely day. What's it like on space on New Year's Eve? It's like some astronauts exploring the moon. They just hear. Alright, I think we're lighting another one now. Are these the fireworks? I think we may be getting the fireworks now. Alright. We'll be right back when we get the fireworks ready. Whoa! Alright, that probably made a couple of people go deaf, but who cares?
Huh?
Here comes the big boys. Well, not the big boys, because they'll blow up our face, so. Papa, just do what Mom says.
Sit on the lawnmower because I don't want you trying to back up fast and fall.
Papa, you have a walkie.
Daddy.
You can't back up fast. Alright, he's about to light it. Let's get a far with you. Find the hole!
Find the hole!
It went wrong, but that still it's cool.
What, Micah?
Is that supposed to happen? Oh, awesome. Looks like we're having a big nuclear war back here. I know. Here comes another one. What?
What's going on?
Alright guys, the real show begins. Oh, awesome. Again.
Again.
I want to see that again. I want to blow a hole in the sky. Yeah, we had to wait like 5 minutes for him to untangle these because they're so big. Oh, but there we go. Boom! Alright, any more? Or
There's a couple flowers.
there's one last one, people. And fire in the hole! I think that's it. Woo! Run time! Ooh, that was a nice one. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. Alright, another one. Follow it. And kaboom! Another red and it's Christmas again!
We'll just get inside a little bit. Now, what's this?
Don't worry, Mike, I got it all on video. Oh, I think everybody in Texas,
Mike, I'll take it on here.
Texas can hear that.
Please, can I have your iPad in just a
Mike,
second?
I'll take pictures on here for you.
No.
Oh! Ooh, that was the one that happened last time when I wasn't recording, and I was pretty sad that I didn't get it, but yeah. Alright, let's do this one, then I'm pausing the recording.
Yes.
And what a way to end it. Oh boy, here it is, the ultimate one! The one that will legend! It's a legendary one! Oh no, it's not. Alright. That looks like a big giant one. Just my. If I had my iPad vlogging while we bought all these, you would. I wish you guys could see my dad's face when he saw it. I was like, oh, oh. Is it gonna shoot a big firework, or is this it?
Big firework or what?
Dad, is there gonna be a big firework? Looks like a fire's going off. Come on, 1-1! Just kidding.
Come on, I want 1-1.
Okay, Mike,
It's-
let me see. You watch it. Watch it though.
Is this it, Mom, after that? Alright, up. Is that it? Done now?
Are we done now?
Oh, there's more sticks. I think there's more boomstick. Oh gosh, run! I don't want to be there. Alright. Alright. Oh, this was awesome. Are you vlogging too? Alright. Mom, is there going to be a big giant firework from that one? Is this it? Alright. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. This was an amazing night before New Year's. This isn't even New Year's Eve. This is the day before. We just wanted to shoot fireworks because we're heading home tomorrow. So, hope you guys enjoyed and goodbye.